welcome to 2024. I'm so excited because we are about to bring to you the indigenous music of Africa. With me right now, I'm holding a Pfumojena extension, courtesy of John Pfumojena. He gifted this Mbira to me in 2022, and this is part of the instruments that we are going to be showcasing on the channel this year. This year is going to be a leap year, so we are going to take an indigenous leap and learn all the things that make the music of Africa beautiful. You are Africa. I am Africa. We